Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I created on my nails here. I removed off my design that I created last week. I just used my e-file to take that design off, and then I buff and prep my nail ready for my next set. So to begin, I pop down a layer of base coat and I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Then I go in with my Miss You Beauty's gel strengthener and I pop that down and cure that in my lamp for 30 seconds. Then I go in with my Brush Up Builder gel in the shade Bare and I pop down a layer of this. I pop down my first layer and make sure to cap the edges so there's no lift in there, and I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I go in with a second coat to make sure that I've built the nail up enough to make sure that I've got a good enough apex there. So once I've cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, I then remove the tacky layer with my gel cleanser, and then with my e-file I just go around the cuticle area, make sure that it's nice and flush with my cuticle, and then I buff and file that nail to make sure it's lovely and smooth, ready for nail art application. So then for my nail art I use marble inks. I've got a pink, a purple, a blue, a white and the clear one, which is what I use to blend those colours together. And then what I do is I use my spider gel in the shade white and I just create some flowers, and then I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Just use my dotting tool there to create those flowers, just sort of rough flowers, nothing too neat and tidy, just simple flowers. Then I use my gel strengthener, pop down a little bit in the center of those flowers, and then I pop down some tiny little studs, I don't know what you call them, little balls. Cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go in with my non-white UV gel top coat and then I cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds, and that is my design complete. So then I apply my cuticle oil to those nails, and that is my set finished. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up as always, and don't forget to follow me for more videos like this. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and yeah, I shall see you in my next video. And don't forget about my discount code, guys, on the Miss You Beauty website. Take care. Bye.